Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to have a short update on the 66 Nova that I'm building for the Glory Days Group Build 2025. Body's all mocked up. Chassis is now painted. Wheels are painted. Tires are painted. I got the ladder bars to install yet on it, and I'll bring it down closer and you can take a look at it. Hopefully next video, body will be painted, top white, sides red, headers should be painted, and I should have the rest of the engine distributor installed and other things. Working on the interior, and here we go.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing.